The Nan River, a lifeline for the people of Nan Province. It not only sustains livelihoods, but also serves as the stage for one of the most magnificent and cherished traditions, the traditional boat racing festival. This event reflects the spirit, unity, and faith of the people of Nan. Each racing boat is a living piece of art, crafted from carefully selected wood, with deep respect for nature. The patterns painted on the boats are not only visually stunning, but also carry the beliefs and soul of the community. Before the races begin, the villagers gather for the sacred ritual of worshipping the boat's guardian spirit. This ceremony represents their faith in divine forces and their hopes for the success of the boats and their crews. It is a moment of reverence and a display of the strong bonds within the community. The tradition of boat racing in Nan Province dates back centuries, rooted in the daily lives of villagers who relied on the Nan River for transportation and sustenance. Originally, races were held after the harvest season to celebrate abundance and bring joy to the community. The resonating drum beats and the coordinated strokes of the rowers are not just displays of speed or strength. They embody the unity of the people, the determination of the team, and the spirit of collaboration. The race is not merely about winning. It is about preserving a treasured tradition, celebrating community ties, and honoring the sacred connection to the Nan River that has sustained generations. From the past to the present, the traditional boat racing festival of Nan Province remains a cultural emblem that endures. It is a story of the river, the people, and the spirit of Nan, flowing together as one timeless legacy.